Hi everyone, this is Mohammad Aviz from automationplay.com. In today's lesson, we are going to use S7 communication between two PLCs. Here are my two PLCs, as you can see over here. I'm using put instructions in both PLCs to write to each other, and I'm using get instruction as well to receive the data. And further, I'm using data blocks to exchange and store data in those data blocks. So if I press my push button of PLC 1 from over here, my output in PLC 2 is getting on from input of push button 1, like that. So this is the task that we have to achieve in this section. We have to establish PROFINET communication or Ethernet communication between these two PLCs. We are going to use get, put instructions and further instructions as well in this exercise. Thank you.